not tired, bro. You gotta take this fight. Oh yeah. I'm tired already. I'm getting old, boys.
I'm Landon. And I'm Gavin. And today we're fishing at Dana Beach Pier, and we just hooked into a nurse shark.
It was 67 foot, 200 to 300 pounds.
And the fight was around 20 minutes, which isn't too long, but it was definitely an adventure.
Yeah, it was a nice fight.
Everybody confused or just me? Let go. I got it. I'm trying to see if you're under or over this one.
We're in it. It's in.
You got a fish on, dude.
Yeah, I know. Let's just try and get it in.
Yeah, try to reel them, but tighten only, not too much. There you go. Leverage up. Reel down. Now just hold it. Hold him. Hold him. Just hold him. You got to stop him before he's gonna run. Before you can reel. Dude, you got a shark or something? What the hell?
Probably a big ass shark.
When I go up, you don't reel. When I go down, you reel.
Right.
Now you reel. You're not coming. You got all these lines too.
I'm about to get it. I'm half spooled.
Yeah, you look like you're about to get spooled, bro. No, it's just line.
Yeah, I got more.
Loosen. Give it to him. He gonna snap your tip. But keep your tension. You keep your tension, bro. You just keep it. Look, right here. That's all you're gonna do. You can't do nothing else.
Right.
You just gotta hang on for the ride. Use your fingers to try to stop it little by little, just to turn him around. But he ain't turning.
He's gone.
Pasa. Watch your hands, Papa. That's dangerous. You might have to cut it, bro. Just cut it. I can't hold this fish for too long. Y'all gonna start getting burned. Cut it. Thank you, Bobby. Let me see if I can turn this thing. Let me see, Bobby. Let me see. No.
I knew I turned by the very rod. I know. In my bag. It is in my truck bag. It's like it's in my room.
It gotta be. The remora just came up over there. He swam east and hit the bait. I'm turning him. He turned it. You gotta get it when you can get it.
Right.
Coño. I'm trying to get him manageable. He's holding bottom, bro. He's holding. He's not even rocked. He's just holding right there. could be.
Where's that man?
There he go. I got him back. He trying to turn on me. See it?
Yeah.
He trying to turn on me. Let me walk back a little bit. He trying to turn on me. I got him facing this way. He turning.
We gotta catch one butterfish, guys.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, that's a butterfish.
Woo.
There's a Coke if you want some.
Dude.
That's it.
Oh, he's not tired, bro. You gotta take this fight.
Here, you want me to do it? You got it?
Oh yeah. I'm tired already. I'm getting old, boys. I'm a cameraman, not a battle guy.
You have a YouTube?
Yeah. Tirón. Grande, más de 10 pies. Woo. Yeah, he looked like you got him though. Just walk back. I just didn't want you getting spooled. You didn't want it either. There you go.
What it goes?
Let me back up so I can get all of y'all. No, you could be in it. I want y'all to be in it. I was just getting the whole frame. There we go. That's a better shot. You might have to tighten up just a little bit.
Holy shit.
Dude, that thing is heavy.
Yo, tell Carter,
Here,
go
hold
grab
it.
ballyhoo, the bite's on. Get your Saviki and go get ballyhoo.
I thought he was gonna ask you to switch. You almost got him, bro. You're right here. Almost.
There's a ballyhoo. Austin!
He should be showing up here now in the next few cranks.
Do I have leader on here? Austin, do I have leader on this? Do I have leader? I should have put wire on that. My wire ain't that heavy, it's only like 50.
You got him now.
You can't roll shit. No, he's right here.
No. Pero es tip.
Yo saqué una el otro día de...
Yo saqué una de 32.
¿Una qué?
Una cobia.
Oh, sí. Todo el mundo quiere sacar. Yo saqué una. Por eso diciendo, las cobias tienen así. Si llega a ser una cobia, tenemos que llevársela a levantar.
Easy, easy. I would say it's different depths at different spots, but I would say more or less like 16 to 20.
¿Qué tiene? What do you say?
A huge nurse, I think.
A big ass nurse?
Yeah. Big one.
Big nurse shark.
You see how deep he is? He holding bottom.
Nice shark.
Oh yeah, guaranteed. At least an 8-10 foot on nurse. At least.
I didn't make a joke in the car about how I was gonna hit the shark tip. I got it. I got it.
Yo, let go.
Gavin's on a shark. Oh shit.
Oh yeah. You got him now. Oh yeah, you got him for sure now. He should be showing up here. He's showing up now.
You're good. Bring it down, Rick. Bring it down.
Reel down. Pull up, reel down.
What's that do?
Aggravation for the fish. Turn them in another direction.
Yeah.
You got it, bro. I'm just making sure you don't go in. He's gonna get mad here in a second.
You want to take it back? You got it.
You got it. There you go. Just like that. Keep at him. Keep at
Bring it
him.
down. Ready? Bring it down, bro. You're good. Bring it. Back up.
Yo, you're gonna break the rod like that. Don't hold it.
Almost. Couple more yards. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Muscle. Muscle. Go walk this way. Walk this way. This way. Go underneath all of them. Under both of those. Not this fight over now. There we go. Get him right there. Get him right there. There you go. He's showing up. We got color.
Oh, it's a baby. What? It's a baby.
I thought he was way bigger than that. What is he, like 7? No, he's like 8 or 9, like I said.
Oh, that's like a 5.
No way, bro. He's at least 7.
No way.
He's taller than you.
That's like, no, yeah, that's like 6.
I thought he was, yeah,
think
he's like
that's
4 to
That's
7
6
feet.
maybe.
I mean, you know, 6 feet, 6, 7 foot at least. He's at least 400 pounds.
Nah, not 400.
What'd you say, 3?
Like 250, maybe. 250.
Nah, I thought he was a lot bigger. I thought he was
I
closer
thought
to
he
10.
was way bigger. What?
Well, I was on a spinning wheel.
That's a baby.
Well, but look at the setup he got it on.
Yeah.
So he got to double in size, weight, everything.
Are we popping it off?
Put it right here.
Hey, Junior. I gotcha. I finally got you. That's my little buddy right there, y'all. Look at them both, the brothers.
No, that's a baby. I know, I'm just saying.
If he gets you, dude,
You're fucked.
you're gonna be done, dude. Come on now. Let him go, let go. That thing's strong, bro.
Yeah, take one. Get a pose here.
Take a picture.
What do you use?
Mullet. Where the pliers, bro? Hey, where the pliers? No more, dude.
Cut the line.
Take it with a plier.
Take the hook off.
You got pliers?
Yeah.
All right. dangerous too. Yeah. I don't want to see you lose your knuckles.
Yeah, just.
He has claws.
Yeah, that's strong, huh?
Oh yeah.
They got teeth?
Maybe nurse shark.
Oh yeah.
They got small teeth though, because they eat like lobsters and shit. So you see how big their head is compared to their body?
yeah.
They use that head weight to like kind of just grow and destroy it.
You gotta use a small hook.
What's the line?
Those shits are strong as hell, huh?
Oh yeah.
Can you imagine a big ass great white?
You could just grab them like.
It's like sandpaper when you go
Sandpaper for
forward.
sure, yeah, bro.
Let me show you something.
Oh my.
So see these little dots right here on the nose? All these around here are called isolates of Lorenzini.
Isolates.
That's how they find electrical shits, and they come over and they can hear the heartbeat with these little white things. It's very cool. All fish function. Want to see them again?
Don't lose your bag.
It's all right. Oh yeah, that's a
Oh.
YouTube video, right?